Samsung's next smartwatch lineup might cost you more than you think, and there's no official word on it yet. A fresh batch of leaked pricing has surfaced for the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 and the entire Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 lineup. This matters because if you've been planning to upgrade this year, the number you had in your head might be about to change. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through exactly what's leaked, how much more you might be paying, and why this increase might actually make sense. But first, let's talk about where this leak came from because it changes how much we should trust it. Unlike a lot of rumors that start with a random forum post, this one has some weight behind it since it lines up with an earlier report out of Germany. Two separate regions pointing to the same story is usually a good sign the pricing is close to final, even if Samsung hasn't confirmed a thing yet. According to these reports, this isn't a small tweak to one flagship model. It's reportedly a lineup-wide price bump affecting nearly every new Samsung Galaxy Watch. So before you assume only the premium model is getting more expensive, let's break down what's actually being said about each one. Let's start at the top with the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. Leaked European pricing reportedly puts it at €749, which would be a €50 jump from the original Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra's €699 launch price. If that number holds, this would become Samsung's most expensive smartwatch ever released. Now, the standard lineup isn't getting a free pass either. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 in 40mm Bluetooth is rumored at €489, the 40mm LTE version at €459, and both 44mm models reportedly landing at €439 and €489. Depending on the model, that's anywhere from a €30 to €50 increase across the board. Here's the detail most people miss when they see leaks like this. This particular pricing reportedly comes out of France, which means VAT is already baked into those numbers. Samsung has historically kept pricing consistent across most of the Eurozone, so if this holds true, countries like Germany, Spain, Italy, and several others could realistically see that same €749 starting point. The catch is the rest of the world, especially the US, remains a mystery right now. You've probably already seen articles guessing at a $700 US price tag, but that's really just people assuming Samsung applies the same increase globally, and that's not always how Samsung operates. So why raise prices at all? The honest answer is that smartwatches in 2026 are doing a lot more than they used to, with faster chips, more onboard storage, bigger batteries, and increasingly capable AI features. And none of that comes free as component costs climb. But a higher price tag only feels fair if the upgrades actually show up in daily use. And that's the real test Samsung has to pass here. We won't be guessing much longer either, since Samsung is expected to officially reveal the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 and the Galaxy Watch 9 series at Unpacked on July 22nd, where actual global pricing finally gets confirmed. Until Samsung makes it official, this leaked €749 price tag is the closest thing we have to the truth. Would you still buy the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 at this price, or does the jump feel like too much this time? Let me know in the comments, and if this kept you in the loop, hit like, subscribe, and I'll bring you the real numbers the moment Samsung confirms them.